Hey everybody, Chip Hanauer, the boat guy, along with Fergus, the reluctant boat dog. Hey, the rendezvous coming up in Poulsbo. Come on, Fergus. February 7th and 8th. It's come to my attention that some of you have not signed up. We're half sold out. We're running out of time. Don't be an idiot. I've been over there a bunch of times with Sam. We got everything set up. Hey, we here at the Boat Guy, we're sensitive to all your needs. We're here at the Slippery Pig Brewery, and you're probably thinking to yourself, do they have plumbing? They have emergency underwear dispensers. I should have put one of those on here too. It's going to be great. Again, it's half sold out. Don't be an idiot. Get registered. Hey everybody, it's Fergus. Don't miss out on the rendezvous.
Two, three.
Rendezvous.
Shutski!